Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tarannum Support. Today I want to talk about what is the history of Islam. So without wasting our time, let's get started. History of Islam. Islam is the one of the world's largest religion with over 1.8 billion followers worldwide. It is a religion that is based on the teaching of the Prophet Muhammad, who lived in the 7th century CE. Early history of Islam. The history of Islam began in the 7th century CE in the Arabian Peninsula. At the time, the region was home to a variety of religions, including Christianity, Judaism, and paganism. In the year 610 CE, the Prophet Muhammad received a revelation from God, which he later shared with the people of Mecca. In Medina, Muhammad was able to establish a community of Muslims. He also continued to receive revelations from God, which were eventually compiled into the Quran, the holy book of Islam. The spread of Islam. After the death of the Prophet Muhammad in 632 CE, Islam continued to spread throughout the Arabian Peninsula and beyond. In the centuries that followed, Islam became the dominant religion in many parts of the world, including the Middle East, North Africa, and South Asia. The Golden Age of Islam. The period from the 8th to 13th century is often referred to as the Golden Age of Islam. During this time, there were many important advances in science, mathematics, and medicine. Islamic scholars also made significant contribution to philosophy, literature, and art. The decline of the Ottoman Empire. The Ottoman Empire was a powerful Muslim empire that ruled over much of the Middle East and North Africa for centuries. However, the empire began to decline in the 19th century. The modern era. In the 20th century, many Muslim countries gained independence from colonial rule. This led to a period of political and social upheaval in the Muslim world. Islam today. Today, Islam is a diverse religion with a rich history and culture. It is a religion that is practiced by people from all walks of life. Muslims can be found in all parts of the world, and they come from a variety of different backgrounds. So friends, thank you for watching this video. I hope this video has given you a brief overview of history of Islam. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my YouTube channel Tarannum Support. Thank you and have a nice day. Shabba Khair.